Creating an engaging sales pitch, marketing campaign, or other presentation can mean the difference between a successful business enterprise and one that simply flops. Take a look at the items in our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Animated Icons packs for inspiration when it comes to editing your next project. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Motion Elements by Candy Mustache. The first animated icon pack in our countdown today is full of useful elements like shapes, social media icons, backgrounds, abstract lines, and more. The best part? They're available in a drag and drop style with simple one-click editing capabilities. Number 9. 3D Icons for Explainer Video by HolyPix. In this pack of icons, you'll find everything you need to create a professional presentation with a creative twist. Included icon categories include finance, medicine, business management, retail, and much more. Creating eye-catching animations is simple with this pack in your toolkit. Number 8. Business Concept Animation, Apple Motion, and FCPX by Graphica. With 17 ready-made background scenes, all fully editable with color control and text customization, this animated icon pack is filled to the brim with idea-sparking content for business professionals. Number 7. Animated Icons Pack by Motion Media Group. 300 animated icons make up this highly versatile pack for use in After Effects. The dynamic icons in this set are all 100% vector-based, have infinite loop capabilities, and are easy to customize using your own unique brand colors. Even sound effects are included. Number 6. Social Media and Network Animation Icons, Mogart by IconsX. In this icon pack, you'll find a selection of animated elements that are perfectly suited for use on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and more. If this video has been helpful so far, please like and share with anyone you think might appreciate it. Click the bell icon to subscribe, and you'll be helping us in our mission to make content that benefits creatives for years to come. Are you ready to find out the top 5 items in our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Animated Icons Pack Countdown? Let's go! Number 5. Animated Emoticons Pack by Motion Media Group. Are you a vlogger? This pack might be just the thing you need to improve engagement. Help your followers visualize the emotions attached to your content with these 36 facial expression emoji stickers. Number 4. Premium Builder Animated Icons by Premium Milk. The unique detail in every animated icon in this pack makes them seriously exciting resources for graphic designers, social media managers, and other creative professionals. The icons are available in an endless loop capacity, and they're easily editable to suit your brand. Number 3. 3D Explainer Toolkit by Cream Motion. This is a beautiful selection of 3D animated elements and objects that can help create engaging and informational explainer videos, sales pitches, or business media accompaniments for a range of industries. Number 2. Icons Pack 390 Animated Icons by Design Cells. From video editing to website design, cartoon animation to social media marketing, and much, much more, this animated icon pack is full of editable elements that will perfectly complement a range of presentations and projects. Number 1. Emoticon Animated Emojis Pack by Power of Motion. Emojis play a huge role in the way we communicate. Adding animated emojis like the ones included in this pack to your marketing strategy will help your business connect with target audiences and successfully drive engagement and sales. Would you have chosen the same number 1 item as we did for this Envato Elements Top 10 Best Animated Icons Packs Countdown? Let us know in the comments. If you want to see more videos just like this one, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you check out the next video in the queue before you go. It's been selected according to your interests. You can find all the best animated icons packs in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements. Now you can easily communicate with your followers, fans, colleagues, and clients with the power of animation.